OnePlus to be reduced to a sub-brand under the Oppo umbrella. What's up guys, it's Anwar from TechNewLeaks. In this video, I'm going to talk about the merging of OnePlus and Oppo. OnePlus will be reduced to a sub-brand within the Oppo structure following the announcement that OnePlus is completely merging its operations within Oppo. A leaked memo has shed more light on how the arrangement will work. While the merger will still produce OnePlus branded phones, the company is now a sub-brand within the larger Oppo structure. The news of the OnePlus merger with Oppo came as no surprise last week. Not only are the two companies owned by the same Chinese parent company, BBK Electronics, they have often shared components and design elements among their respective devices. Only a few months ago, it emerged that the two companies would be merging their R&D operations, so the most recent announcement was merely the culmination of what seemed inevitable. Now, well-regarded leaker Evan Blass has acquired a leaked internal memo addressing how to answer inquiries about the recent announcement. Of particular interest is speaking point number 3. What exactly is the relationship between OnePlus and Oppo now? Is OnePlus still operating independently, or is it more of a product line of Oppo? In the response, employees are directed to advise. With the integration, OnePlus becomes a brand within Oppo, however, will continue to function as an independent entity. One of the lingering questions has been around the issue of the OnePlus operating system Oxygen OS, which is its own skinned version of Android 11 and is very popular with its customers. Of course, Oppo uses its own version of Android known as ColorOS. At the top of the memo, employees are advised not to respond to any operating system or ColorOS questions, but rather to advise that there is no further information at this stage. In other words, it sounds like the writing is on the wall of Oxygen OS 2, with ColorOS likely to become the default operating system for OnePlus devices moving forward. So what do you guys think about this video? Leave a comment down. If you have enjoyed the video, then a like would be cherished. Thank you.